No, I'm right here waiting for my Uber. Trying to go bust some cheeks. Pero Uber.
The Uber is here. My friend, you calling the Uber?
I call Uber, Papa.
Okay, the Uber is here. Get on.
No, Papa, that's not no Uber,
What are you
Papa.
talking? Your name is Louis?
Yeah, that's
okay,
my name.
I'm the Uber. Get on.
No,
please.
that's not no Uber, Papa. That's a pasola.
Yeah, it's a pasola because my friend lives in my country. I used to do delivery de gallina, but over here in America, I register it's Uber. So please get on.
No, Papa, we're not in Santo Domingo, Papa.
Oh my
That's not
God.
no
My
Uber.
friend,
It's
you're
pasola,
gonna
Papa.
make me miss my other customer. This is Uber pool. Oh my
What
God.
other customer? No, Papa,
Yeah.
Uber pool. Where's he gonna sit at,
He's gonna
Papa?
sit over here in the front. I have it. My friend, get on, please. This is the best Uber ever. Over here, you have free air conditioning. Over here, if I fall, you know, smell it. It's the best, my friend. Get on.
You know what, Papa? Just because I have to go fuck, I'm gonna get on.
Oh,
right?
okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know?
Come on,
But
let's
don't
go.
let you pee touch my back.
All right, let's go.
Lego.